Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So, the eagerly expected Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra may be a spectacular model that combines style and functionality. The smartphone from the new Galaxy S series has numerous innovations that intrigue Samsung fans. This lightweight, sleek, and glamorous phone should come with various glass material front and aluminum frame. The planned colors are cosmic gray, cloud blue, and pink. They look amazing on an impressive display of 6.9 inches. Foldable smartphone screens are still new and not entirely discovered for the audience. People do not know what to expect. The resolution of the smartphone is 1440 by 3200 pixels with the toughest yet Gorilla Glass. 12 GB RAM allows using many applications and switching them without interruption. The expected internal storage is 512 and 256 GB. Samsung S23 comes with an Android 13 operating system and a 5000 mAh housing battery. The capacity is enough to enjoy games for hours and hours. The juiciest thing in this smartphone is probably an incredible 108MP photo camera, an additional telephoto MP and 40MP front camera to take amazing pictures. Among the possible features are auto flash, digital zoom, face detection, touch to focus. The set of functions is ideal for taking selfies and making video calls. Charging a phone is possible via 4 quick charge 120W, USB 3.0, and wireless charging. The sensor will surprise with its finger scanner and face unlocking function, working under the display. The expected Samsung Galaxy S23 release date is December 2022. People admire the revolutionary design provided by the Korean technology division, curved on all 4 sides. This type of display absorbs lots of engineering work and performs at a high quality indeed. It is good enough to have Apple as a client and sell the giant representatives of their panels. This design will highly likely make this model the trendiest hit in 2023. The futuristic idea to screen cover the top and bottom of the gadget seems enticing yet weird and calls many questions. Does holding a smartphone case undesired touches or actions? If it happens, fans will remain disappointed and probably omit this model for purchase and daily usage. The price may vary in different countries and will surely exceed $1,000. The intrigued fans will have to wait, which appears to be the hardest. In any case, it is the most innovative phone of the year with 90% of the screen with 16 million colors to the whole body proportion. No company has progressed to such a high-tech product yet. So, that is it guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.